Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading from Delhi to Dehradun. Right now we have stopped at Maggie Point, one of the most popular spot on the way.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi baby. हाथ दो अपना हाथ दे ओए हाथ दे कब भीग के आया ये हाथ दे एंजे
From Dehradun to Chakrata, we took on a bike ride. Trust me, taking a bike for this route is totally worth it. The views, the vibes, everything feels so unreal. The cold breeze, the mountains covered with clouds, it honestly. And we have finally made it. After an amazing ride from Dehradun to Chakrata, here we are, surrounded by stunning views and peaceful vibes. Let's do a quick room tour. It's upstairs and has an amazing view of the hills. We will freshen up a bit and then head out for what we actually came for. Stay tuned.
देख ले यार इसको
बस हाय बोल देना
पागल जी अपना नाम बताना नाम तो राइट ऑलमोस्ट मैं पहुंच गया और मेरे को यहाँ पे नहीं है चार्जर चला गया
Guys, just a quick heads up, this place is super slippery, so please be careful while walking. The water force here is really strong, and if you are carrying your phone, make sure to keep it in a plastic cover or a waterproof pouch, as we were literally struggling to take videos because our phones got completely wet. The screen wasn't even working properly, so yeah, come prepared and enjoy safely.
This is our stay for tonight. How are you feeling?
Nice, refreshed. Super.
Did you enjoy the waterfall?
So much. No feeling. I got nowhere. Nowhere.
Would you like to say something about this
I'll
place?
come again. I'll come again.
And this is
Erica
our
will come again.
yes, and this is our stay for another. Erica, आप कैसे भीगे?
मैं waterfall गई थी.
How was the waterfall?
And Tiger Fall was amazing.